Well, it's me again. Here we have something I've just got off eBay a little while ago. Another e-bike electric motor wheel. This is not your generic 9 continents clone, however. This is something a bit more special. It's not as special as, say, a Crystalyte Crown or a Muxus 5K Turbo or even a QS205 or anything like that. This is a retro. This was top of the line Crystalyte 304, X304, I believe. There is a video on YouTube while these hit 59 miles per hour on 96 volts, which is pretty impressive, given this thing was made back in 2006. Look how wide it is. It's a lot wider than your generic, 1500 watt, 2000 watt, 1000 watt style motor you get. That is all copper in there, I believe, on an aluminium stator plate, none of this pressed steel rubbish. So yeah, it should be pretty cool. This is a Crystalyte, as I said before, retro Crystalyte. I don't know how you pronounce that. I'm probably butchering that badly. Yeah, I'm going to say it looks like Crystalyte. It seems to be how it's written. This one, believe it or not, has only ever been run on 350 watts its entire life. This little tiny thing was running it. I'm told this is dead. We don't really care. That's for like 350 watts. What's this, an RC car? God, no. Anyway, even my RC cars are not that slow. So yeah, this is a pretty beefy motor. This comes with some reasonable size phase wires. They're reasonable. They're special high temp ones for those not in the know of e-bikes. They handle a lot more power than you think. Even the standard ones that come on 1000 watt motors can handle about 6000 watts before there's a problem. Oh, there we go. It's soldered in 2 places. So there's these extension cables on here. They go to this anemic controller that's fried. I'm told it's fried. I don't know. I'm not going to test it. So Z6S LiPo, so I'm guessing it's 24 volts. So yeah. Anyway, this is, a pretty decent motor. Brand new rim. This rim is relatively new. Well, it looks brand new. I'm told it was replaced recently. Does not even look like it's ever been run. It looks like they've re-rimmed it and then simply left it as it is. I believe that's an Avid brake disc, Avid Juicy Freeze. Remember how brilliant those were? Anyway, it's covered in schmooze. This will probably need to be changed. It's going to squeak like it's going to squeak like a mouse being chased by a kitten. Anyway, that concludes this little video of this motor. Oh no, it doesn't. I'm going to explain about the other stuff first, otherwise I'll get people moan at me. It's not really a pedalling motor, I would call it. It's more of it has a cog and a chain on it to make it look like an e-bike. It's like an e-moped really. It has a cassette on here of very dubious quality and age of origin. It's got like blobs of weld here. I don't know what that's all about. No, this isn't a cassette. This is indeed a freewheel. And a very dead one at that. Look at that tooth profile, holy crap. So this person must have run out of battery quite a lot. So yeah, it's probably not even had 24 volts going through it half its life. That concludes this video. See you later.